Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use JavaFX from the Windows command prompt. And you can also use it on your Linux or Mac the very similar way. To start, and we need to download JavaFX SDK. Assume that you already have Java installed. I got the latest version of the Java 21. So I'm going to download from Google, type in download JavaFX SDK. So now you see right here, the first one, JavaFX. So I'm going to click on this JavaFX and scroll down. So now you see here is the download. So I'm going to download. And so here's JavaFX, the downloads right here. So I'm going to download the most recent version, and this is the 121.0.2. So this is the SDK, and click on this download. So I'm going to have this downloaded. All right, so after download, I have this, and here, so this is the one I just downloaded. All right, I'm gonna put this, you can put it anywhere, but for me, I'm gonna put this on the, and here, this is the my program files in Java, so I'm gonna have this. Now, you're gonna just download, drag and drop here, and I already have it here, so I'm not gonna do it again, so it's already here. So you can open up, and you can see this is the bin and the lib, and so this right here. All right, so now open a command prompt window. So this is the program. I'm going to try it out from my book. This is the first JavaFX program and my JavaFX. So this is the JavaFX program here, a very simple one, just to test how it works. All right, I'm going to close it out. And now you're going to type in, and this command here is to compile. So Java C, and type it exactly as this, and just follow this. And so it's 2 dashes, module, and dash path. So this is where I have, this is JavaFX SDK and 2102, and here the lib, it's right here. And this is dash dash add dash modules. So here's the modules. And here's the equal sign JavaFX.controls and my JavaFX. All right, .java. So to compile it, and this is the compile. And now I'm going to run it, and this is the command to run it. So here is, by the way, I have the Java version here. I already have it, and it's 21. So this is the command to run it. So here you have this Java, and this is the same module path, and this is the add module. This is JavaFX.controls. So this is my JavaFX. So I'm going to run it, and now you're going to see here is this is the JavaFX GUI user interface and displayed. All right, that is all for this video using JavaFX standalone from the command prompt. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.